Ayan. O, di ba? May microphone na tayo for today. Well, I didn't have plans to buy. Kaya lang when I shared kay mama na parang I'm gonna be doing something, sabi niya, ay, bumili ka ng ganito para mas feel mo yung gagawin mo, ganyan. Pero, actually, kanina, inaantok na ako. Hanggang ngayon nga inaantok ako. Sabi ko, magre-rest muna ako from computer. So, kanina, nagbabrowse ako sa phone, nakikinig ako ng talk. Hanggang sa hindi ko na malaya, nakaidlip na ako. So, this talk that I was listening to is about stop proving yourself to other people. 'Di ba? Pero in what way? If you're posting things on social media, does it mean that you're looking for validation from other people? No. It depends on your intention talaga. Like as for me, okay. I also realized na the more you think about what others may think of you, kumbaga kung ano yung perspective ng ibang tao sa'yo, mas malilimit yung actions mo, mas mamimiss out mo yung opportunities and yung mga memories. 'Di ba, may mga throwbacks na alala mo na lang dahil dun sa mga photos and videos na yun, na okay, ito pala ako dati. Ito ako nung mga nakalipas na taon. Nakikita mo yung development mo, kung gaano ka kasaya, or kung ano yung emotions na meron ka during that time. And it reminds me to be happy. Na parang, wow, ang cute ko naman. Kasi life is not all the time giving you flowers. It will be reminded na nakakamiss namang tumugtog, ay nakakamiss namang maggala or magpunta sa ganitong lugar, nakasama si ganito, ganyan. 'Di ba? It's creating memories, and whatever people think of you, as long as you're not hurting anyone, as long as you're not offending anyone, it's not your intention, then it's not your responsibility. They have to fix themselves, 'di ba? If they're looking at it negatively. So, yeah. Yun lang talaga. Gusto ko lang talaga 'to i-try.